Wait, my volume's too high. Where are y'all? I lost y'all. Where the hell? Where the hell did y'all go? Oh! Oh my god, why is there a fucking barrier? I can't move. I'm breaking it down. Where are y'all? There's like a crying woman in front of me. I don't know what to do. What the fuck? Uh-oh. Oh, hell no. Ew. Oh my god, I thought Lucy was a demon.
Oh my god.
What? Oh, hell no. Bro, Cyan built like the lady. Don't talk.
Oh, why is she so...
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's a bitch! Also, why am I built like that? Why do I see my chest? Hello? Oh my god! What is that noise? What the bitch? Volume is like blasting. Why are you built like that? Girl, bye. Girl, bye. It's right there. Cyan, it's on you. Oh my